This is job number DA1020C. It's a Viceroy press. It was sent to Icon by the customer. Press has been rebuilt, the ram has been redone, new seals, new hydraulic system, new electrical control system. It's got light curtains on the front, hard guards including mesh guards and sheet metal skirting. The press has an Allen Bradley PLC in it. It also has an HMI screen to control the temperatures. It's got a selector switch at this point for the 4 timers. On future presses, all the times and everything will go through the HMI. On this one, the HMI has just a temperature control. We have it set at the shortest time. We'll show the press closing, clamping, and then opening when it times out, and then we'll show the light curtains working. All right, go ahead. Activated the close button. It's fast close mode, and it'll shift to pressing. Once it clamps, the blue light will come on. When it times out, it'll decompress and open. Alright, it's timed out. The lights are toggling now. Get the open button. Press will return to the bottom. You can adjust the limit switches, how far you want it to open. Alright, so close it now and hit the light curtains. Break the curtains. Stops. You can hit the button again to continue the cycle. Alright, so can you show it opening that the light curtains work? Okay, same thing. Reactivate the open button. Go into manual now. That was in auto, now in manual. Stops. Then you have to hit the open button. Yep. And when it's opening, the light curtains are out of the circuit, so the press will continue to open when it's in manual. That completes DA1020C.